Hello, my name is Bhargavi Raval and I am a fashion mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a skirt hemline. Now, whenever you're making a skirt, especially the flared skirt, you draw the waves. Try to make the waves facing in both the direction. As you can see how I have drawn it over here. It's very simple. Now pick up the lines from the waves. Most important, the crease lines which you are picking up from the hemline should be radiating. Okay, while shading you use, I personally use three colors. So the light tone, the mid tone and the dark tone. Now as you can see over here, I started with the light tone, and here what I'm doing is I'm just highlighting it and shading the darker tone. Again I'll show you. So first doing the yellow color, the light yellow color, giving the baseline, adding a darker tone. Now this is my second tone, which is slightly darker. Now understand where I am doing the darker tone, below the crease line. So the folds of the hemline, the way the fabric is folded, so below the fold is always going to be darker. So whenever you're making a skirt, try to make the wave shape, and few wave facing towards the right, few waves facing towards the left, and almost the center wave is kind of a both the side facing, like how you have your box pleat. Understanding where and which part you're going to do darker tone is very important. Always the shadow would be below the crease line. Okay, and the method is very simple. I've used Stedler colors. I've used only three colors. Any color you can pick up: red, green, yellow, blue. Only thing is use three colors: the light tone, the mid tone and the dark tone. Now the dark tone could even be black. Now over here I have used orange. I could have even used a brown shade also. So that's up to you, whatever tonal value you want to give to your skirt. So it's very simple. If your shading is correct, especially the knowledge about where you do your darker tones, where you do your lighter tones, once you get a hang of it, then your illustration looks good. They look attractive. So the simple method over here also, don't forget to draw the inside of the, like, when you draw on the curve, the line which is at the edge, that also you have to do the shading. So learn that also. So see, it's looking nice and pretty. The shading is right, very nicely, quickly done. It doesn't take so much of time. Just understand three simple colors: light tone, mid tone and dark tone, and that's about it. Your waves has to be correct, your radiating lines have to be right, the crease lines have to be right, and that's about it. And this is almost done. Again, giving the edges, just adding the darker tone. For illustration, what you really need is practice. If you want, you can send me your work on Insta. My Insta handle is Bhargavi Raval. Yes, that's my name, even for the channel. And what I've done over here is I've highlighted it with a black micro tip pen, just so that you can see it clearly how to draw the waves. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button so that you get an information every time I upload a video. And bye bye.